Hi everyone, this is your first lecture for section 2.4. This is word problem section for the next couple of sections. Okay, so problem 1. As I read through the problem, I underline my pertinent and important information, okay? The number of gallons of gas added to the tank of a car is found by using the formula C/P = N, where C is the total cost, P is the price per gallon, and N is the number of gallons. How many gallons of gas can be purchased for $33 if it costs $2.75 per gallon? So my formula that I want to look at, C/P = N. What do I know and what do I not know? Well, it tells me that I'm going to spend $33 and that gas is $2.75 per gallon, and it wants to know how many gallons I purchase. So plug in what I know, and what I don't know, I leave as the variable. Well, in this case, it's kind of nice because that's already solved for the variable, isn't it? So what is 33 divided by 2.75? Okay. That means you purchased 12 gallons of gas. Okay. Let's look at another one here. The formula S equals P minus 0.25P gives the sale price S of an item originally costing P dollars that was reduced by 25%. Find the sale price of a pair of jeans that originally cost $40. So what do I know? I know the original cost, P, was $40. Now, in looking at this, I noticed both of these have a P. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract them before I plug in my 40. You can plug in your 40 and multiply and then do your subtraction as well. So 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75P. And we know that P is 40. And 0.75 times 40 tells us that we could buy that item for $30. Okay? Let's do one more on this lecture. Okay? Janice invested $500 in a 2-year certificate of deposit at the simple interest rate of 2% per year. Find the amount of interest Janice will earn in 6 months and the total amount of money she will have at the end of 6 months. Well, first we've got to determine how much interest she earns. And they don't give us that formula, but interest is principal times rate times time. Okay? So my principal is how much I invest, which is $500, times my rate, 2%, but I have to write it as a decimal, times my time, but time has to be in months, in years, sorry. So to change 6 months to a year, I divide it by 12. So 500 times 0.02 times 612 gives me $5. So how much interest did she earn? $5. Now, how much total money does she have? She had 500 and she earned 5, so now she has $505. And that's the end of the first lecture for 2.4.